Thank you, MVP, and Jane, Sienna, and everybody. Maraming salamat also for coming today. Lahat kayo. Parang binanggit niya na meron kaming pagsasama sa age. So, babasahin ko lang muna. Several years ago, in the days of COVID, I Zoomed with Mr. Pangilinan about the possibilities of working for him in TV5. Perhaps the signs were not there yet because nothing came out of our conversations. But today, years later, I find all roads leading to MVP's doorway. This time the stars are good. Besides giving me a very warm reception, MVP has given me a mandate to build a world-class, in-your-face artist center that would discover and train the artists for the new decade. Because MVP knows that it is stars that are at the center of the content-making business. Not the directors, not the writers or scripts, the stars. No stars, no content. You better believe it. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, we will be in the business of star making. We have been at it for some time now, and more than ever we know what works and what won't. What is a star? Ano ba yung star? A star is someone who can capture your imagination, drive you crazy, and who can separate your well-earned money from you. Yep, that's a star. Pag hindi ka out of, babayad ka, para sa star. A star dictates how much you pay, and pay you will. Cut Bernardo, Alden Richards, SB19, BTS 17. A star needs only one name: Piolo, Echo, Cloud, Manny. MVP, you and I have been around the block several times. This is not our first rodeo. Guys like us are older, wiser, and handsomer. And we know that this project will demand money and enterprise. Your money and our Yep. I do not know what tomorrow brings, but I can promise you, MVP, Jane, Sienna, that I will do my best because you deserve the best. Perhaps in time, you will consider what we will have built here as one of the jewels in the crown of your MVP group of doctors. Thank you.
Wow, thank you so much for that very hearing message. But of course, hindi pa siya nagtatapos ang ating partnership signing. We have something special prepared for everybody today. Here's an exciting glimpse of what's to come now that Mr. F is officially part of MQuest. Ladies and gentlemen, please watch this. Kung gustong bumate, panoorin po natin ito.
Hi, Dad! Congratulations. I'm just really happy that, of course, there are still so many things that we can do together, we can work on together, and I'm looking forward to doing more projects with you. We have so many things that we are planning to do for the next couple of years, and it's going to come to fruition because I know hindi tayo tigil agad. Magkakagawa tayo ng marami. I'm looking forward to working with you again. I'm looking forward to spending more time with you. And I'm just steer to anything, Dad. I love you so much. Thank you for everything, for being my mentor, my dad, my best friend, and for being there always for me, and just for being you. I'm happy. I'm so happy that you're doing this, and I'm so happy that we get to work on stuff together. And yeah, I love you, Dad. Stay strong, stay happy, stay vibrant, and looking forward to working with you soon. Love you, Dad.
Looking forward din. Kasama si Piolo dito. Agree. The one and only Papa P. Okay, we'd like to thank Ms. Sheno Lasso, Mr. Jeffrey Remillo, and Ms. Jane Basas, and of course, Mr. Manny Pangilinan for joining us this afternoon for the contract signing. For the second part, we're going to have the Q&A, wherein Mr. M will entertain questions from the
press.
media, from the press. Thank you very much po.
Yes, all right.
Mr.
Mr. M?
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow, MVP.
MVP is willing to answer some questions. Okay.
Sorry.
What's the secret to making lasting stars and not just one-hit wonders?
I think the work. Yeah. In fact, coming over, Mr. MVP has given me the mandate and the permission to change the name of the talent center here. And we were thinking of the name Starworks. Starworks. So that's the secret. Work and you become a star.
Mr. Pangilinan, what are your expectations now that Mr. M is already with the Kapatid Network?
Well, nothing less than create a stable of the best talents in the country, whether it's visual or audio. Because we do need that, as I said earlier, he confirmed it that we need the people. At the end of the day, it's the people in any organization that's your most valuable asset. Because the talents like we have here will be the best vehicle to give creative expression to the content, the scriptwriters, the storytellers do. So we need him with his experience and his ability to appreciate what the youth wants.
Did he give you a timeline, Mr. Pangilinan?
I'm giving him a timeline. He hasn't invited me to Star Wars. Waiting for the invitation.
What project do you like, MVP?
Not Viva Max.
Okay. Next question.
Mr. M, of course, what's your vision for Vibe now that it's the ball's rolling? It's making, of course, its presence felt in the OPM scene.
Vibe, I have to say, Vibe actually is the project of Jane, Sienna, and Pete Tison. And they've done a good job. But I think we can make Vibe more of center, showcase artists, young artists. So that will be, I think, the driving force in the coming months, coming years, to make it a showcase.
For Mr. Pangilinan and Mr. M, but Mr. Pangilinan first, how do you see MQuest Ventures shaping the entertainment landscape now with social media, traditional media? How do you think it will, work together now that you have Mr. M also on board?
I don't know from the content side or the talent side. I'm not familiar with that side of the business. But I can tell you that from the infra side, the delivery vehicles that you guys, the talents here present, would use to convey your artistic expression. It's changing from the traditional free-to-air and the linear channels of pay TV. That is slowly going the way of solid sense. No? So what's arising are the new platforms for this you guys would work off on, and that's really the internet, the data, that PLDT and Smart and the group in general can provide the variety and the wealth of the ability to reach out to the audiences. And if I may say this, we don't see MediaQuest, TV5, or Signal as a standalone institution. In many ways, we see them as standalone because you're a profit center too. But you know, you're part of a bigger family, and we want you to work with the other group companies, especially PLDT and Smart,